The Data Presentation Tool, referred to as the DPT, is a quality improvement tool created by the Canadian Primary Care Sentinel Surveillance Network, which allows you to visualize and explore your patient panel. In this video, we will show you how to create a custom search using the DPT. Creating a custom search will allow you to identify patients who may benefit from additional follow-up or treatment. For example, you may wish to create a list of patients 65 years or older who have been identified as having chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. We will begin here on the DPT dashboard page. To begin the process of performing a custom search, first click the Search button in the top menu bar. You are now directed to the search form. On the left-hand side are a number of easy-to-use search options including patient status, time since last visit, and the various CPCSSN conditions. At the top of the page are boxes related to patient demographics, including sex, age, and the FSA of a patient's postal code. These sections listed from risk calculators to health conditions indicate the categories of EMR data. Boxes with a calendar icon allow you to specify dates, while boxes with a magnifying glass icon allow you to search for specific diagnoses or values. Some fields have drop-down menus with a list of options to select. Clean fields, as shown here, contain data cleaned and standardized by CPCSSN, while the original fields have original text or values from the EMR. For more information concerning the sections highlighted here, please refer to the DPT User Manual under the Help section at the top menu bar. Now we will run an example search for patients 65 years and older with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD. On the left-hand side, there is a list of conditions for which CPCSSN has developed validated case definitions. To find patients with COPD, check off the box beside COPD. To search for our age range of interest, we type greater than or equal to 65 in the age box at the top of the page. When creating searches, we can use less than or greater than symbols to specify upper or lower limits to our values. On the other hand, specific ranges can be specified with 3 dots. For example, 60 will search for patients in the range of 60 to 70 years old. To find patients who are 65 years and over with COPD, we now click Execute Search in the top left corner, which causes a small window to pop up. From here, you have the option to press the Find button or the Omit button. Selecting the Find button means you will perform a search that will identify all patients 65 years and older who have COPD. The results of the search are displayed as tables and graphs. The various sections of this page show the results and provide options to investigate this group of patients further. For example, we can build up more complex searches by clicking on the Extend Current Search button. This returns us to the search page where we can add additional criteria to the existing search. Let's say we wish to narrow our search to include patients with a diagnosis of heart failure. We click on the box title Cleaned DX under Encounter Diagnosis and start typing heart failure. A list of matching entries pops up and we can click on heart failure. Now we click Execute Search as before. Then click on the Find button and then the And button to add to our existing search. The results page now shows those patients 65 years and older with COPD and a heart failure diagnosis. It should be noted that when searching for diagnoses that are not part of the 8 CPCSSN conditions, the search relies on the raw data in the EMR, which may be incomplete. And finally, searches can be saved to rerun later by clicking on the Save icon on the top left section of the page. Enter a name in the window that pops up and press Save. This search will then show up on the Saved Searches tab on the top row of the page. Here is a list of all the saved searches. To rerun a saved search, click the Rerun icon at the right-hand end of each row. If the search has been run before, the number of patients returned will be in this box. To find out what criteria were used to create the search, click the eye icon next to the search name. Viewing these criteria is a good way to find out how to create searches. We hope this short video has shown you how to create, execute, and save a custom search to identify groups of patients in your clinic, and we encourage you to try it out for yourself. The ability to create custom searches allows a clinician or medical office assistant to contact patients who could benefit from having a follow-up, thereby improving the quality of their medical care. If you are interested in joining CPCSSN, join now at cpcsssn.ca. For more videos like these, visit the CPCSSN YouTube channel.